All right, our first inventory one. Modern Decor Furniture began June with merchandise inventory of 22 sofas that had cost a total of $15,400. So on June the 1st, it's already written here even actually. So on June the 1st, they had 22 at $15,400 and they had paid $700 a sofa. Okay, and we're supposed to, so here's all our purchases and sales, and we're supposed to do FIFO and LIFO. So I'm gonna start with FIFO. All right, so then they purchased 30 at $750. So remember when you come over to inventory, the first thing you have to do is drop this down, okay? So 22 at 700, and then we're adding 30 at 750. All right, and then we sold 35. So on the 14th, you don't have to write this, but I'm gonna write it so I know what I'm doing. All right, so they sold 35. It's first in, first out. So I'm gonna sell the items I first had, which are the 22 at 700. All right, and since I need 35, I need another 13, and they're gonna come out of the 30 at 750. So then over here, so that adds up to our 35. So then over here, my 22 is now gone. I sold 13 out of the 30, so I've got 17 left there. All right, then I purchased 50 more at $775. So I have to bring my 17 down, then put in my 50. And the last thing I did is I sold 40 okay, I sold 40. Remember these prices here? This is the retail price. All right, only your cost, the numbers that go in this cost of goods sold are all gonna come from over here in this column, okay? This is the retail price up here. So I sold 40, so I'm gonna pull from my 17 first. Then I need another 23, and those are gonna come out of this 50. All right, and then I have 27 left of the 50. And then that's it. So then I just multiply everything out. So this is 20,925. This is my ending inventory. All right, then I multiply these out. Then add them all up. And that is my cost of goods sold. All right, you guys know I'm gonna make some sort of adding mistake, so if you're doing everything correctly and it's different than my number, make sure I didn't make a math mistake, because sometimes I do. Okay, then the last thing we need to figure out is gross profit. All right, so sales minus cost of goods sold equals your gross profit. All right, your sales are gonna be the 35 at 1150. And the 40 at 1200. All right, since they sold for different amounts, you have to calculate it separately. So 88,250 are my sales, and that's going to be the same for both LIFO and FIFO. That's not going to change. So 88,250 minus 55,725 32, 525 is my gross profit under FIFO.